Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about how to fetch the body for any transaction. If we talk about ME21N for PO creation, or you can talk about Migo transaction. So there is a way to find out the enhancement or exits regarding any implementation or validation you need on those transactions. So for that we need to go to SE24. The T code is SE24, and we need to provide the object type as CL underscore exit handler. Okay. Now we have to go to display mode, and we need to select the second option, that is get underscore instance. Okay. Just double click on it and you will come to a new window. Okay. Seems like a source code window for the development app window. So you need to select the line item 14. You need to double click on it so that breakpoint will be activated, and now you can go forward for any transaction for which you need to find out the body. So I'm typing Migo. So this is for okay. So now you can see that debugger has activated. So you need to select in variable field, you need to select exit name. So we need to find out the exit names. Okay, so that we have provided field variable as exit name. Now you need to press F8. Like you can see the variable, the exit name is mb underscore migo underscore item underscore body. So this is the body, one of the body, which can be used for any enhancement purposes or any validations. Okay, so you keep note of it and just press F8. So you'll get another body. Okay, likewise. So this will help you to find out the relevant body for any enhancement for the particular T code, and you can provide it to ABAPer for further enhancement. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.